Hey everyone, in today's video I'll be showing you when I went on vacation with my sister to Cayo Coco, Cuba, and we stayed at Memories Flamenco Beach Resort, and I'll be doing a room tour. So this is just one of their basic rooms, and when you enter the room there is a mirror on the left, and then there is a very spacious closet. So on this side there's areas at the top and the bottom for storing any items, plus there is a safe as well. And then on the other side there is lots of hangers so that you can hang your clothes, and then there's an ironing board and an iron, and then there's a umbrella in there as well. So when you enter the room there's an area for putting your luggage, and then there's a very big desk, and right under the TV there's a mini fridge, and that gets stocked daily. And we were on the first floor, so we just had a little walk out here, and honestly this is such a beautiful view. And then on this side of the room there is a little bit of a sitting area, and then we just opted for some single beds. So what I love about this room is that the sink is outside of the washroom. It's just handy in when you're getting ready, and this is just the washroom, so just a basic washroom as you can see here. And we did get a Diamond Club perk, so we got a few extra items there. We didn't pay extra for this, it was just a promo they had going online. And in the washroom there is a blow jar included as well. So like I was mentioning, this is the Diamond Club Beach, so I thought that this was so awesome that it was so close by. It's just so beautiful and I loved going there. Unfortunately with this door it doesn't close all the way, which I'll show you in a moment, so just had to do kind of like a makeshift thing going on here, basically just to wedge the door so that it could be fully closed. Just took the ironing board, and we noticed in building 10 they actually had like a piece of wood going across there, and yeah, basically just the same concept. So I'll show you how the door looks without that there. So as you can see here, the door is locked, but it does have that little space there, and that is enough space to let a crab in, and a crab did come in, a small one. As you can see, there's a tiny dead one there. Not sure if it's gonna pick it up, but yeah, having the ironing board definitely makes a difference to keep it closed. Overall, I really loved going to this resort. This was my third time visiting there, and I would highly recommend checking it out. And for the room specifically, probably my favorite thing about it was the view and the location. It was just very central, and even though, like I mentioned with the door, a little situation, everything else worked out very nicely for me, and I would highly recommend checking it out. And if you have any questions about it, just leave it in the comment section below. And that's it for today's video. Hope you found it to be helpful. Don't forget to comment, rate, and subscribe, and I'll talk to you guys later. Bye!